Hey traders, so you're stuck between TradingView and Investing.com, trying to figure out which one's actually worth your time? I've spent months testing both platforms, and today I'm breaking down exactly which one fits your trading style. Stick around because the answer might surprise you. And hey, if this helps, smash that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Let's cut to the chase. TradingView is your advanced charting powerhouse. Think PineScript custom indicators, 100 plus built-in tools, multi-time frame layouts, and a massive community of 30 million traders sharing strategies. It's built for technical traders who live in the charts. Investing.com is your all-in-one market data hub. Real-time quotes from 250 plus exchanges, economic calendars that update by the second, earnings reports, IPO tracking, and portfolio management. It's the go-to for fundamental traders and news-driven decision makers. Charting tools. TradingView absolutely dominates here. You get unlimited chart customization, second-base intervals, up to 8 charts per tab on premium, and here's the game changer, PineScript. You can literally code your own indicators and backtest strategies. Investing.com offers basic live charts with around 30 indicators, good for quick checks, but nowhere near TradingView's depth. Market data and news. This is where Investing.com fights back hard. Their economic calendar is legendary updates within 1 second of any release, covering central bank decisions, earnings, NFP, you name it. You can filter by volatility, impact, and set custom alerts. Plus, they track 300,000 plus financial instruments globally. TradingView has news feeds and data, but it's more focused on chart-based analysis than fundamental tracking. Pricing. Investing.com. Completely free with ads, or Investing Pro for premium fundamentals. TradingView's free plan is solid but limited, 1 chart, 3 alerts. For serious trading, you're looking at essential $12.95 month for 2 charts, 20 alerts, plus $29.95 month for 4 charts, 100 alerts, or premium $59.95 month for 8 charts, 400 alerts, and no expiration alerts. Annual plans save you 40-60%. Ease of use. TradingView has a learning curve if you want to leverage its full power, but the interface is clean once you get it. Investing.com is instantly accessible, open it, check the calendar, see the news, done. Perfect for quick market checks. Here's the bottom line. Choose TradingView if you're a technical trader who needs advanced charting, custom indicators, backtesting, and multi-time frame analysis. Day traders, swing traders, algo traders, this is your platform. Choose Investing.com if you're a fundamental trader, news trader, or long-term investor who needs instant access to economic data, earnings calendars, and global market news. It's perfect for macro-focused strategies. Honestly, most serious traders use both. TradingView for execution and technical setups, Investing.com for event tracking and fundamental context. So there you have it, TradingView for charts, Investing.com for data. Which one are you using? Drop a comment below. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest trading tool breakdowns. Links to both platforms are in the description. Catch you in the next one.